So this is AZ-900-Challenging Lab4 run command by using Azure Cloud Shell. So the scenario is you are an administrator for Exel and are responsible for your organization's Azure environment. You need to use Azure Cloud Shell to run Azure PowerShell, cmdlets and command line interface CLI commands. First, you will configure Azure Shell for first time use. Next, you will use PowerShell cmdlets to create a virtual network. And finally, you will use CLI 2.0 command to create a virtual network. Configure an Azure Shell PowerShell session by using existing resource group. Okay, let's go to resource group. Yes, we need to use PowerShell. New storage account we are going to create. Account name is this. Region is East US. File share name is shell. So once deployment is done, we can verify our work. Now it is connecting to terminal. Few seconds more and we will be inside the terminal. And it says welcome to Azure Shell. Yes. Next is deploy a virtual network by using Azure PowerShell cmdlets. Create a virtual network named VNet in AZ this resource group by using new AZ virtual network cmdlet and East US region and the address prefix this. Okay, this is going to be the command. For sure, I don't remember this. Let's run this command. A virtual network can have an address space that conflict with another virtual network as long as two virtual networks will never directly connect with each other. So retrieve the value of VNet1 virtual network in this resource group by using getAG virtual cmdlet and then store the value in variable named VNet. Again, we have this command. Now this command is getAG virtual network name VNet1 resource group is this. Let's run this command. This is done. Now we are going to add a subnet name protection in virtual network 1 using add virtual network subnet config. So subnet config add AG virtual networking subnet config name is production virtual network VNet is address prefix 10.0.0.24. This is done. Write subnet configuration to VNet by using set AZ virtual network. Provisioning state succeeded. Let's check our work. Yes. Deploy a virtual network by using Azure CLI command. Switch to Cloud Shell Bash. Maximize the Azure Cloud Shell window to make it easier to see command. We are going to use this command AZ network VNet create. Name is VNet to resource group is this subnet marks production location East US. It's running. Provision state is succeeded. So this lab is completed. Let's send it for grading. Thank you.